I sneeze for some reason like a billion times when I drink.
My husband and I are drinking beers tonight. He used to get like this when he would drink beer.
Hey man, which one of these things is $1? They said something about from the house.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
I got COVID and tried to record when I sneeze.
I have COVID. There'll be another. Only 2. I've been sneezing in 3 seconds.
Sneezing disorder.
My sister sounds like a kazoo when she blows her nose. Oh, that sounds like a
Listen. My husband and I are drinking beers tonight. And he used to get like this when he would drink beer.
I sneeze for some reason like a billion times when I drink, and I don't know why. But my husband is in the gas station right now, and we're just coming home from drinking. He didn't drink, but I had a margarita that looked like this.
Nothing happened! That wasn't worth it and I'm mad. And also you just blew Snot on.
Mahoney, spooky pouch. Oh wow. And then the itchy throat comes. Yo, I don't know what to do about this. Anyway, I gotta go figure this out. Thanks, Carol. It's been like all night. I don't know what's going on. I feel like I'm having some sort of an attack.
Okay, first of all, we just got to where we were going. I've been driving for the last... These lights in here. Anyway, Makeup's holding up. I do need to blow my nose though. It is coming off, but like maybe if you just think if I was gonna sleep. Oh no, yeah, it still comes off. Okay, well, so I guess it's not transfer resistant, but is it water resistant? Kind of looks like it's water resistant.
Snot took it.
I think you're dangling a lot.
Yeah, basically what I'm trying to find out is because I'm hearing different things. What do you have to say about that? Yeah. Sorry. It's okay. But sorry. It's fine. Sorry. Yeah. What's that? What? Oh, it's probably the neighbors. They always use weird shit with this lady. You know, for the longest time I wanted to ask her that question. Like, why do you do it? It's different. You have a bathroom? It's upstairs. It's true. Like, and I was like, I didn't care. Like, I didn't tell her anything. So then, how did she get the information? It is what it is. That's what I said. That was different. I don't know. Oh, you had a tissue or something? I didn't even feel that.